Ikaw?
ano na lang, admin na lang, sa admin case na lang po.
Oh, yun ang problema.
Sabi ko kasi ni sir, wala namang laman yung sachet.
Wala lang naman, ba't nilagay niyo sila sa Bartolina? Di ba? Bakit? It now prove. It now prove with the statement of Oro, you cannot withdraw it because if you withdraw it, I will again also cite you in contempt. Dahil wala. Sandali, patapusin muna ako. Dahil walang laman, sabi ni Superintendent, why did you put the 2 PDLs to Bartolina? Wala palang laman eh. There's no basis to put them in the Bartolina. No violation. Di ba? Admittedly, nag-admit, palagay na natin, for the sake of argument, giving you the chance, no? Now, ang question is, nag-admit na dalawa gumagamit ng Cebu. Why didn't you file a case against them?
Isipin ninyo, na-prove natin na may deadly weapon dun sa loob. May shabu, tapos may mga cellphone. Hindi naman mangyayari yun kung hindi alam ng ating superintendent. That is precisely the reason why, Mr. Chair, 30 days po yung aking minove. Thank you.
So, pinabubulaanan mo, Commissioner Leonardo, na itong dalawang ito nakatanggap ng pera sa kanilang pagpatay sa Chinese.
Yes, Congressman Paduano.
Thank you, Chairman. Just to follow up, no? Actually, kanina na-establish na yon na yung dalawang PDL na pumatay ng tatlong incheck after IS, dinala sa Bartolina, pero just for a few weeks. Tapos, nilabas doon sa ICA. Kaya ang question ko kanina, bakit yung PDL na pumatay sa tatlong Chinese, nilagay doon sa ICA, in which sabi ni Fortaleza, yun ay para sa mga force multiplier. In short, min-maximize pa sila. Parang binigyan sila ng favor dahil sa pagpatay nila sa dalawa. Now, yan ang unang tanong. And that, sabi mo kanina, Poro, that is the discretion of the superintendent at the time, in which si Superintendent Padilla. Tama? Yun ang sagot mo kanina, di ba?
Yes,
Sinagot mo rin kay, now, Superintendent Padilla, Colonel Padilla, what can you say about it? Why did you allow the 2 PDLs to be put in the ICA? Ginawa niya pang force multiplier. Oh, yan, sir.
After nung Bartolina, after na nung investigation po yun, matagal, mga more than a month siguro.
No, sabi mo pa more than a month, sabi mo to 3 months. But there is a new case filed against them for murder and they, for homicide, and they admitted it. Ang tanong ko dito, bakit nilagay niyo sa ICA? In your discretion. And that's your authority. Sagot. Or you refuse to answer?
Yes.
You refuse? Mr. Chairman, with that, I move to cite in contempt Colonel Padilla in violation of our internal rules, Section 11, paragraph C. Mr. Chairman, refusal or evasive to answer questions without legal excuse. So move, Mr. Chairman.
There is a motion to cite in contempt Superintendent Padilla for violating Section 11, paragraph C of our rules of procedure governing inquiries in aid of legislation, duly seconded, hearing no objection, the motion is approved. You are now cited in contempt, Superintendent Padilla. Congressman Paduano.
Mr. Chairman, before the second motion that will be moved by the members of this committee, let me remind Superintendent Padilla, former Superintendent Padilla, now Colonel Padilla, that you have all the rights. You can also make a motion for reconsideration. That is your right. We follow due process in this, but after, the day after that you will be detained, either in the House of premises or wherever the chairman will decide.
Congressman Paduano,